tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Yeah. Like we put a little bit of baking soda into it, just like this. All right. Mix it around. So this is how it look. Right? Yeah man, this is how it look. And we got 1 lemon and a piece of a ginger. We're gonna use all of that and show you exactly. This is my bedtime tea tonight. Alright? Angel, big up yourself, Kima. Thank you so much. Alright, first customer and the show. Alright. Let's remove this. And get this on. Alright. I'll get the pot on. Because the pot is important. Hot water. Hold on it first. Alright, hot water. Yeah. Alright. So we got lemon, ginger. Alright, we call it parsley. And baking soda to wash it. Alright. Yeah. Baking soda to wash it. Here it is. Ginger. This is some flat parsley. This is how the flat parsley look. And we have some lemon. We're gonna rinse them off. So I'm gonna soak them inside of the baking soda with the water. Yeah. You have to do it this way. If you don't do it this way, a problem. Let me rinse them off. Let's see. Lovely. So here it is. We have these right here. We're gonna be using them up. Alright. Yeah. So let's get them. I'm gonna use a lime inside of it. And I'm gonna use some lemon. Let's put them on our side. Yeah. So this, we're gonna be using this right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You might have said that's a whole heap of lemon and lime, but I'm gonna tell you this. This is going to cleanse out your gut. I'm gonna put this inside of it. Alright, you can ask him, bro. Just break it like this and just put them inside of it. See? Craig. Yeah. This is the parsley. This you can get it in the supermarket to buy or your local shop. Put it down inside of it. Now, ginger. See, this is fresh ginger. You can look at the color of the ginger. It is totally different from every other else ginger. The water. Yeah. All right. This is peppercorn. You see, this, enough people don't use it. All right, this is organic peppercorn. We're gonna put a few of them inside of it. That's very good for the gut. We're gonna turn off the cooker. Yeah. Don't feel it no way. I turn off the cooker. As you guys can see. Look at that. Look at the seed and everything. Alright, yeah man. Here it is. Yeah. Yes, pimento seed. Yeah. Yeah man, that's pimento seed. What is in the pot is just parsley, ginger, lemon, and some lime and pimento seed. Yeah, here it is. This is amazing, guys. This is when I mean amazing. I mean amazing. Like just something totally different with you guys this evening. Now, with parsley, when you drink parsley tea, it does cleanse out your gut, cleanse out your immune system, detox the body, you know what I mean, fight against all of that toxin. I'm going to try this tomorrow. How long you drink it for? You know what happened? You can drink this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay? And trust me, drink it before you go to your bed or first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and you're going to see the result of this one. Sometimes I drink it for 5 days straight with my audience. Back to back I've been making it. Some people say, oh, why are you making the same thing? But what they don't know, I am drinking it and it's giving me a lot of benefit. So you need to drink it to get the benefit. This is powerful, guys. Sometimes I use tea bag in it. You're welcome. Sometimes I use some green tea bag inside of it. But I drink green tea bag earlier. Yeah, so you guys can see. Now, when I make this one, I do not use any sugar or honey or sweetener. No, don't store it in your fridge for 5 days. If you want to drink it as a detoxing water, yes. You can just make it for 2 days, put it in your fridge and drink it every day. Number one, don't sweeten it with no sugar or no honey or no sweetener. It's going to cleanse the blood also, and it's very good for your kidney. Now, if you're a person who is suffering from kidney problem, don't drink this. Yeah. Don't drink if you have any kidney problem. This is very good for blood sugar and also kidney. All right? Yeah. So do not drink it if you have any kidney problem. Very, very good for your blood sugar and also kidney. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. I'm not gonna stay too long this evening. Trust me. Let's take this off to eat. Wow. That is amazing. We'll infuse it with high blood pressure mixture. If you are taking high blood pressure medication, okay, because it got ginger in it, which is ginger is good for high blood pressure, and ginger is very strong. Read your medication before you take it. If you are on high blood pressure medication, it's good to you to read your medication. But at the same time, people have high blood pressure medication still eating ginger, lemon, everything at home. So here you go. But the only problem is that when you're taking high blood pressure medication and you're drinking natural stuff, your high blood pressure does not work. Your medication don't work. So that's why you see a lot of people medication, the high blood pressure cannot go. Because when they're cooking, they're putting garlic and they're putting a lot of stuff inside of the food. So the medication can't work. You will always have high blood pressure. What you have to do, speak to your doctor. Say to them, say, I need to take natural remedy also. And then it will go. But if you are taking high blood pressure medication for 1 year, are you not seeing any changes? It's not the medication, it is your fault. Why? Because the medication that the doctor give you, it will help you, but you're gonna have to cut off at the what you are doing during the day. Sometimes you're doing certain things during the day, which is not making the medication work. All right? Yeah, good vibes. This is the book. Get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available on Amazon, guys. All right? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself every time. Let's pour out this tea. Okay. Let's pour out the tea. Lovely. Yeah. There's too much inside of it. Yeah, I'm gonna squeeze out this, you know. Got some more lemon. Lime. Two little slices. You might have said that's a whole heap of lemon, Chef Ricardo. Yeah, but that cook out inside of it, and that's going to just do an amazing work. It's going to be unbelievable. Yeah, good vibes. Now, as I said before, people, if you're on high medication, yeah, just ease off of it and speak to your doctor before you drink these natural stuff. It's very important. Good vibes, people.